Hello, good morning, everyone. Many times our student asking to me, sir, how exactly you can record our screen? Can you just let me know which software you are using? So basically, guys, a regular use purpose I'm using to the Bandicam. Why Bandicam? Because it's a freely available on internet. We do not need to pay. Okay, so let me teach you how we can install to the Bandicam in your system. Simply, we are checking one browser. Okay, over here I want to use the browser and just write in the search engine Bandicam. Okay, just search on the internet. You can see the top link are present: https www.bandicam.com. Okay, so let me click over here. Simply you can see this is exactly the website. Okay, and I want to be used to the free download. Click over here. Now I want to be download Bandicam 2025. Okay, it is getting to be ready for installation part. We need to wait little bit, and you can see in the right hand side corner it is downloaded in your download folder. Okay, now let's open that also. So we are going to the over here file, right? Going to the file explorer. Now after that in download folder you can see Bandicam. This is your setup file. Just we need to double click. Okay. Now, do you want to allow this app to make a changes in your device? Yes, I want to be. Now choose to the a language. Obviously, I want to be choose to the English language. Okay. Now welcome to the Bandicam 2025 setup. Yes, I want to do the setup. Next. Okay. Agree and just click on icons and just say next. Just you need to do the next, and that's it. Okay. Install. Right now my Bandicam is trying to be installed the setup. It's taking just few minutes. Now you can see it's successfully complete. Now if you want to be a run directly, you can run also. I don't want to be run right now. Just I'm clicking on the finish button. Okay, let's click over here and my Bandicam is ready. Now I can able to record my screen. Let's go back. I'm closing everything. Now just go to the search engine. You can see over here icon also made it, or you can write over here Bandicam. You can see this is exactly the software. When you clicking over here, okay, Bandicam is open. Now let me say no. Okay. Now just what happened? We need to select the area what exactly we want to be a record. Okay. So we are going over here. Okay, I want to be, if suppose you want to be always used to the full screen, you can use full screen also. So I'm saying to the all display. Means what happened right now, my full area is selected. Okay, now then what happens, simply we need to click over here record button. The recording will be the start. Let me show you. Simple, we are clicking over here. I'm starting right now, whatever I'm doing that, everything is started to recording. Okay, now check it, recording is already started. Even if you can see, I'm just doing to the minimize screen. After I'm going to a Google Chrome. Okay, suppose I'm accessing my any Chrome browser. Okay, if I'm accessing my LinkedIn account, you can see. So we can do anything, whatever is exactly the happening. Okay, now let's check also the video is recorded or not. Okay, I want to be close this. I close everything. Right now I'm again going back to Bandicam and I want to stop. Okay, now let's go to the video section. Okay, not the video section, I think so. In home, videos. Okay, so Bandicam video is there. If you can double click, you can able to see that recording, whatever we did it. So basically your recording has started. But right now problem is over here. Bandicam only can able to record the 10 minutes video. Why? The reason is if you want to be record to the long video, we want to be a higher version. Means it's like a paid version. Whatever we are using freely, we can able to use only the 10 minutes, not more than. And another one is www.com bandicam.com. It's copyright is over here, or we can say the watermark is over here. We cannot able to remove that. If we are paying, then we can able to remove that. That exactly I want to mean. Okay, so this is very simple video how we can record our screen freely. And even if suppose Bandicam watermark is there and you're putting video in anywhere, there is no any copyright law. Okay, thank you so much for today. Okay, have a great day.